Hello everyone, Don Rolfe here with Northwest Legal Planning, estate planning and probate law firm located in West Linn, Oregon. And today I'm here to talk to you about a question that I get frequently and was brought up again by a woman I met with last week. And she wanted to know how long her estate plan was going to be good for. And that's really kind of a difficult question to ask. She already had an estate plan in place. It was a trust-based estate plan that had been put together in the late 90s. And it did not reflect the current state of the law, and it also did not reflect the allocation of assets that she wanted, and really didn't reflect the amount of assets that she had and was leaving to beneficiaries. So it really needed to be updated, and she wanted to know, when am I going to have to update this again? How often am I going to need to update it? And I wish I had a straight set answer for you to say, every 3 years, every 5 years, you need to update your estate plan. The estate plan that she had would have still worked. It still would have done what it was intended to do at the time that she had put it together, but it wasn't the best case scenario. So we are updating her estate plan. We're updating it with some new trusts for her beneficiaries after she passes away. We're doing some charitable gifting because her estate has grown a little bit. But really, the time that an estate plan lasts technically is forever. If you have a will, it's going to be your will until you either revoke it or you pass away and it gets submitted to the probate court. Same thing with a trust. It's going to be your trust until such time as you either revoke it or amend it. And then when you pass away, it will do what it says to do in the trust. But it may not be the best case given the current, your current position in life, what your family looks like, and the nature of your assets, and really your wishes and desires, and what you want to have happen with your things after you are gone. So the technical answer is it lasts forever. But the better answer is it lasts as long as it's still in line with your wishes, desires, and the status of your assets or your estate, the things that you have. So whenever there is a life event such as a new child, a family member passing away, a divorce, an adoption, the income of wealth, the loss of wealth, all of those things can trigger or should trigger in your mind, hey, maybe I need to update my estate plan or have somebody look at it. For all of my clients, I offer a complimentary 3-year review of their estate plan to make sure that it's still in line with what it is that they want to have happen, and then also what their asset structure looks like to make sure we're not missing anything. We're not paying extra taxes, or we're not leaving money to somebody who's gone or somebody who we don't want to have be a beneficiary anymore. All of those sorts of things we take a look at, and if it's fine, it's fine. If it's not, we can do some amendments or restatements depending upon how much has changed. If you'd like to find out more about whether or not your estate plan needs to be updated or any other estate planning topic, you could reach out and talk to me for free by going to myestate-planmeeting.com. You can sign up and we can chat on the phone or in person, and answer your questions about estate planning, and I can share with you the options that you would have for getting an estate plan in place or updating one that you already have. So to answer the question, I know it's a little long-winded of an answer, but your estate plan is really good forever until you revoke it. But in order to make sure that it's doing what you want it to do, and it's doing it most tax efficiently and efficiently for your beneficiaries, and making sure it's giving the protections that you can give to your beneficiaries for their inheritance, that you need to update and be aware that just sliding your will or your trust in a drawer just really isn't enough. You need to, it's kind of like, it's a living document. You hear that, people say that about the Constitution. It's a living document, it's a living, breathing thing, and it needs to be updated with the times and changes. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and schedule a time to meet by going to myestateplanmeeting.com. And until next time, take care. Goodbye.